You won't believe that PowerPoint can remove the background of almost any image. Let me show you the quickest way. Insert your image and click on it. Now go to the Picture Format tab and select Remove Background. PowerPoint will highlight the areas to remove in purple. If needed, refine the selection using Mark Areas to Keep or Mark Areas to Remove. Once you're done, click Keep Changes, and your image becomes clean and transparent in seconds. Here is a pro tip. Add the Remove Background tool to your Quick Access Toolbar so you can remove backgrounds with just one click. And if you want my personalized QAT setup, check out this video where you can download my exact QAT customization file for free. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe. Until then, bye. Signing off, the Slide Master.